i35equipment.com and COWC Auto Sales. This is a 2024 LoadTrail Gooseneck trailer. Super nice trailer. One owner, clean Oklahoma title. Does have the max steps on the front sides. Tandem Axle dualies, 10,000 pound axle rating. Mud flaps. Spring assisted max ramps. I'm a big fan of these ramps because of course they are spring loaded, but also you don't have to move them left or right to get a smaller machine or something smaller up and down off the trailer, or further out to get something wider up and down. It's just ready to go for you. Welcome you to come look at her for yourself. Just give us a call to get on the calendar, or you can send us an email. Happy to meet you out here. Just want to make sure we're here and have the gate unlocked for you. If you'd like all in quote, we do send trucks, trailers, and equipment all over the country, so get it shipped to you. Should not be too big an issue. Just fill out the form on the website, call, text, or email with that full delivery address. Shared address with several callers and a nationwide broker, and get back at the best rate that comes back to us. Do welcome you to arrange your own hauling or come pick it up for yourself if you like. See, it does have the adjustable gooseneck here. Safety cable for your brakes, safety chains. Here's your light hookup. Brand new spare tire and wheel up here. It's pretty cool. It's on a swing away system, so you can pull this pin and then the spare tire and wheel just flips down. Toolbox storage up front. Tandem jack legs. I've checked the notes, but I think it was 26 foot and 6 inches on this deck. 101 inch wide. It does have your ratchet for your straps on this side and connection points on the other. These are 235/80 R16 tires. All in good shape. It does have the Dexter system with the never adjust forward self-adjusting electric brake system and the Easy Lube bearing lubrication system. Metal over the axles, wood deck on the rest. Wood's all in good shape. I think it was 6 foot ramps and 6 foot dovetail, and your dovetail of course is gonna be allow dirt and rock to fall through. If you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, trucks, trailers, our specialty here is consignment sales. We help you get that machinery sold. If folks in our country looking for good road work equipment, help you get it sold. Like I said, just fill out the form on the website or call. We're happy to visit with you about our consignment sales service. You can see all the photos and specs in our phone update inventory online. Appreciate you taking time to watch. If you have any questions, give us a shout. Hope you have a great day.